Next time on the Secret Saturdays, the ancient city of Kumari Kingdom has returned from the deep.
It's impossible. The Kumari haven't surfaced in centuries.
Argos plans to use it to destroy mankind. Could it hold a curse stone? Now, Zack must face a cryptid terror unlike anything he's ever seen. Fire! Can the Saturdays stop an all-out war? An encore episode of the Secret Saturdays.
All residents living in Miami, please listen very carefully to this message, as this is pertaining to a very life-threatening situation. At 11:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, multiple figures have entered the city of Miami, currently roaming on the streets of Miami. These figures are demonstrating a capability to harm or kill residents very quickly within a direct line of sight. Police have identified one of the figures, who has two blue bubbles for a head, wearing a pink dress and bow, and has yellow and pink limbs. The other figure has a purple music box for a head, with two black arms coming out, wearing a blue bandana, and purple limbs. These figures also have red glowing eyes with a very creepy smile, and has black paint-like substances over themselves. Efforts by the Miami Police Department to try to neutralize these figures have been very unsuccessful. Observations have confirmed that these anomalous figures' lethality is activated once they see an individual in their line of sight. Due to the threatening nature of these anomalous figures, you must comply with the following for personal safety. If you choose to remain indoors, then ensure that you lock all doors and windows. Cover all windows to prevent these figures from detecting you in their line of sight. If you are going outdoors, ensure that you minimize your noise level of at least 16 meters away, whilst also staying out of their sight. If you choose to evacuate to another safer location, ensure that you have enough food and water, clothing, medical supplies, important items, and a battery-powered radio. Should you encounter the anomalous figures, do not approach them. Instead, call 911 to the Miami Police Department. Do not attempt to exterminate these figures, as it will most likely put your life in intense danger. Stay tuned via radio or television outlets on this very threatening event.
Now you can join the battle. Prepare the catapult and strike back against the evil enemy. You command the legendary battles. In the new Lego Castle playset. Each set sold separately.
You've seen the hit series. Now, see the movie that started it all.
Long is this war. Many enemies have we.